this is Keena here with SweetGemLife. Today, you see it. I am so excited. This is the August 2020 VillaBeauTIFFul 5th anniversary box. Y'all, I've stalked the mailman all week for this, and I'm so excited to bring this to you. If you are interested in watching this video, please stay tuned. I promise you won't be disappointed. Let's do it. So the first thing I found when opening this box is this beautiful card. It does say VillaBeauTIFFul, Beautify Your Planner, 5 years of VB. There are no words to express how excited I am for this kit. So we do have a menu card, and as usual, we are going to go by the order of what's listed on the menu card. So it says, a look inside your August VB kit. VB's pen sticky note, VB pen rose gold foil washi tape, marble abstract rose gold foil washi tape, VB sticker book, 9 pages plus mini deco sheet, transparent page flag set and stickers, VB pen 1 rose gold main kit pen, titled Beautify Your Planner 2.0. VB pen 2 dark purplish brown, titled VB number 5. VB pen number 3 medium nude, titled Pretty Young Thing PYT. Hey! Next we have Hello I Love Pretty Pens enamel pen. Then the mini pen case to hold 8 VB pens. Then the VB planner clutch. The 4 cardstock paper sheets and the 2 vellum sheets, because I did order the paper pack. So let's get into this. First things first, here's our kit, the main section of the kit with the smaller items. We did still get the pouch, the decorative pouch this month. I am loving all of this. So let's get this open. The VB pen sticky note is the first item up. We have a blush nude colored sticky note with the iconic VB pen here on the side. Oh. The second item is the VB pen rose gold foil washi tape. This is gorgeous, and we need to get this opened up so you guys can see it rolled out. So here is the washi tape with the rose gold foil and all of these beautiful VB pens. It does have like a marble background, and that foil shine bright like a diamond, baby. Next we have the marble abstract rose gold foil washi tape. Let's get this opened up for you guys, because I want you to see how beautiful this kit is. Tiffany really put her heart, and she does every single month with every release she has, but you can tell that she really put some work into this release. This washi is everything. Tiffany, if you're watching, we need a larger roll of this. So there is the marble abstract, and it's got the rose gold in it. Beautiful, beautiful. The next item we have here is the VB sticker book, the 9 pages. As you guys know, this is usually my second favorite portion of the box, after the pen, of course. But as I've already told you, you've got a lot of stuff to cover here today. So, as always, you always get your mini deco sheet, and it is rose gold foiled out, baby. So we have our 3 pens that come in the kit today. Here's a board, everything. Look at the Louis planner, y'all. This is gorgeous. So let's flip through this sticker book. We have our first page with our full boxes. Love, create, inspire. It's a beautiful thing when a career and a passion come together. If that is not the truth. And there you've got the marble abstract that matches the washi tape. We've got our icons, some bill pays, some more full boxes, some half boxes with the rose foil. As you see, some of these are rounded, some are square. We've got some headers, some long boxes. Then we have the large deco pieces. We've got some page flags, checklists, date covers, arrows, and then you've got 2 tabs. And then the last sheet is fairly new. I believe this started in the July Fashionista box, where we have these double boxes here, and this memo baby, look at the foil. And you've got some hexagons here. So that is your sticker book with the mini deco sheet. Next item are the transparent page flags. Baby, y'all, I love the page flags that have come in the last 2 or 3 kits, and these are no different, especially with this rolled gold on the card here. So we've got our black, gray, this is a mauve color, you've got this tan, and this light pink. And these are absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to stick these in my planner. Next, we have one of the gorgeous pens from this kit, and this one is the main kit pen. It is titled Beautify Your Planner 2.0. This rose gold is beautiful. Along with those crystals in there, there is nothing that could possibly describe how beautiful this pen is. Yes, Beautify Your Planner 2.0. The next item, we have the VB pen number 2. So it's actually named VB number 5, and it is a dark purplish brown with rose gold hardware. And if I can get it open and get into it, I will show you guys how gorgeous these pens actually are. Look at that, baby. That color is indescribable, but it is a matte pen, like I said, with the rose gold hardware, and the crystals are a clear iridescent, a nude, a tan. They are gorgeous. The next item in the kit is VB pen number 3, and it is titled PYT, Pretty Young Thing. I think of the 3 pens that came in this kit, this is probably my favorite right here. This nude pen with these crystals is just giving me everything I ever needed in life. The paint is matte as well, and it does have the rose gold hardware. It has the nude crystals, like a champagne color. It's gorgeous. You'll be seeing this soon in my pictures. The next item is the Hello, I Love Pretty Pens enamel pen. Let's go ahead and get this open so you guys can get a closer look at it. So it is an enamel pen. It does have the gunmetal hardware around the sides. We did miss an item, these transparent stickers. So let's go through these really quickly. These are also a fairly new item to the VB kits, and one that has been getting very good use of, made very good use of. So we have the bar stickers. We've got the transparent shape stickers. transparent shape stickers 2, transparent icon stickers, transparent corner stickers, transparent word stickers, scripts, some washi strips. The next item we have is this mini pen case, and baby, the texture on this is to die for. We have the gunmetal pulley on it. It's like a heart, the VB heart that you'll recognize if you know the logo. And it pulls around like this to open up. Oh my goodness. And we can fit 8 pens in here. This here is to protect your pens so that when you close this over, they are not bouncing and rubbing up against each other in here and tearing up your pens. So let's give you an example. We'll stick PYT over here. We will stick VB number 5 here. And if we did not have this here, when we close this, that's what it would do. It would tear each other up. You would open this up and be so upset because your pens would be destroyed. But we have this here, fold it over, everything's protected. This is lovely, and it's small enough that you can stick in your bag with your planner. So you guys know I carry my Notique, and these can travel well together. The next item is this VB planner clutch that I cannot stop rubbing on because it is so soft. Oh my goodness, y'all. If you missed out on this kit, I'm so sorry to hear that, because you really missed out on something truly special. Oh my goodness. Tiffany has outdone herself again. Okay, we've got some pockets here. Oh my goodness. And the best part about these side pockets here are they have a bottom, so you don't stick something in there and it gets lost to the planner hell. We've got 2 clear pockets here, 2 more on the back, a zip pouch here, and then you do have 3 strings here, 4 strings, excuse me. You've got 4 strings here to put things in. You have a, oh, look at that. VillaBeauTIFFul is engraved in the carrying strap with the gunmetal colored hardware. And we can just attach this here, because who's not gonna want to carry this? This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That's beauty. Next, we have the B6 Traveler's Note Insert Sampler. Made exclusively for VillaBeauTIFFul, designed by Paperish Prints. So we've got some inserts here. First up, we have a weekly spread. This week, some lined grid and what you're grateful for each day. We've got a few of those. Next, we have a VB pen tracker. That is gorgeous. So it gives you a space to list the name, the release date, whether it was permanent, limited, or kit pen, and some notes, and a space to color in the pen. So, or you can use your, what did I do with them? Use the mini deco sheets to put a picture, a sticker of the pen that came, and you have a way to track them. So you've got a few of those, and then we have another tracker, pen name, release date, whether it's permanent, limited, or a kit pen, whether you got it or missed out, and whether there was a restock. Next, you have a VB kit tracker, which I will definitely be putting this to use. And the last section has some dot grid pages. Next, in this clutch, we've got a place to store anything, but it will fit your VB sticker books. So let's see. Let's show you. Get in there. And you could fit, oh my goodness, there are so many pockets, and get all of your sticker books in here so you can carry them around. And it slides into this pocket here, and it comes out as well. So you can use it somewhere else. But then you've also got this pocket here that comes all the way through to the other side. You've got another pocket back here, and you've got a pen loop. And like I said, this thing is so soft, I can't stop rubbing. It's got the VillaBeauTIFFul engraved down here. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So let's get that back in there, where you belong. That makes things easier. And that is the VV planner clutch. Last but certainly not least, if you were able to snag the paper kit, you finally got your paper unfolded, and I am so excited about this. Because you can get the paper kit with the weekly kit, with the monthly kits, excuse me, and you have a larger planner like I do in an A5. You have to get really creative with how you use the paper because it has the fold in it. So let's go through this paper pack. You have this first sheet, and all of the papers are double-sided with that marble abstract print. And you've got another abstract print on a pink background. Another abstract print on the back. You've got another, so the entire, all of the pages are pretty much abstract prints. With the black marble, oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Yes, we love that. Then you've got this line print here, the solid on the other side, and we've got some splatters. So those are the 4 cardstock paper sheets, and then you get 2 vellum sheets. And that marble abstract, I love that. I can't wait to use these papers. And another vellum abstract print here. All right, y'all, this is everything that came in the VillaBeauTIFFul Beautify Your Planner 2.0 5th anniversary kit. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.